nhớ xong cho phong dư là bé ua bó là xí bó ok xí lúc cho ua có chỉ ná có chỉ áo có chỉ dúa cái nó cũng cú lợi thía có lúc cho nữ dư ok chỉ có dùng món nữ xía có nữ lua li ở từng li tê li nó ok chỉ do nữ trong li nó thầu có xía tao li nó lợi chỉ có mua còn để nó xía còn nếu ý chắc cả nên đấy ok chị bây giờ xía lúc cho nó có lúc cho bùa ra trong li nó chị xía thầu có cho nó lợi xía từ tay cho nó thía là xí lú tay cho nó thía thầu có tàu ít cho li nó lợi chỉ có yếu bí có bí họ tư là tàu có xí họ tư là tàu thầu có bí ok chỉ có muốn nó nữa ôi ít lúc bó mê li nó chỉ muốn nữa cào ok mà muốn nữa cào thía ô còn nữa chén ok chỉ hiểu ô chỉ chén thì chỉ ô còn lúc nó chén right ô còn nữa very tight ok chén còn nữa rờ chỉ chén ok and sense nữa mê chỉ có dụ đi chả là tao muốn được cào đi nó ok and then if you do this right you see nó chỉ qua lúc bỏ nó chỉ round okay then you use pressure muốn được twist okay cào okay muốn được cào cho nó lo đá vậy mới cho nó cào đi nó okay make sure có xí ra thiệt thế là tight okay again đá vậy mới nên cào ôi khó strip rồi trong đi nó okay chỉ có bỏ mù cho nó lợi cho nó chỉ lê tao nó okay but don't let go otherwise this will come off okay so tua trong okay more around okay slowly carefully okay so miss the spot cover that alright thầu có ta li nó lợi chỉ ít con gì okay chị pin là nó chị more around xứ okay if you go this way already they turn go this way make sure it's even as possible keep adding until it's almost as big as your fist right or that you can hold it if your strips are big just fold them in half and continue like back to the home base, turn around. So when you are satisfied with the size, use this pen. Okay, just secure for a bit so you can get your needle and thread. Okay, so when you sew, it would be best to use color matching thread, but I'm going to use black so that you can see better. Okay, so start from there and then we're just going to close this up. After that, then we will put a fabric of your choice over it. If you want to decorate into like a face, then you would want this fabric instead of maybe a decorative one. So we're back to here. So when you go, just you can do like this from side to side. careful not to poke yourself. Alright, I think it looks pretty secured, but if you don't feel like it is, then you can sew around like this and all around this way, so then it would look almost like a baseball. Okay, but I think for me, this is really tight. It looks good, doesn't look like it's going to fall apart. So I'm just going to tie a knot right here. So one way, or how I tie a knot is, so just finish the stitch right here, leave a loop, and then just go through, needle go through, and just pull. Okay, but one knot is going to not secure this, so I'll do one more time. Okay, don't pull all the way, right? Leave a loop here, and then go through. All right, let's finish this. So pick your last cover fabric, bandao. Okay, inside out, put it towards the middle. This is one way. I want to fold, as you can see, fold this, so then when you put it together, it's nice and clean right here. Here you can even start sewing a bit. Okay. Maybe start here from the inside so that your knot is hidden. You can sew this way, or you can do it this way. Again, use matching thread, but here I'm using black so that you can clearly see how I am stitching this. Okay, stitch as slowly or carefully as you can. Make sure it's tight. Make sure it's even, your stitches are even. Alright, I'm going to leave it here like this and then take care of the corners. So here, this is the tricky part. I think it would be best to fold this in. Okay, you might want to crease this so that it stays, and then pull. Okay, this thumb, push this in. This other hand, pull the fabric towards you like this. Okay, make sure that corners here looks good. If this doesn't look good, maybe readjust. Move this in more. And then again, thumb here, push. This other hand, pull over. All right, so, and then since my needle is here, maybe I can go back out. There we go. And then just continue sewing. Alright, I'm running out of thread, so leave some here so that I can tie a knot, a hidden knot in here. Let's see. Again, tie a knot is just pretty simple. Leave a loop. Use the end of the needle, that's fine. Let's make another knot. Go back through the loop. Okay, and this probably not enough to make another knot, but I'm going to just go in and out over here. Let's see, here we go. And then cut this off and add more thread. And then do the same thing over here and sew around. After that, you can decorate. You can even add beads